Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a full skincare review and unboxing with Bubble & Bow. They did sponsor this post. I teamed up with them because I think that they are an amazing brand. They are just about to launch. They are paraben free, cruelty free, vegan, all natural, all organic. They have the most amazing products in their line, so I had to share it with you guys. So not only are they made with really great products, what's really awesome about it is they made it for the woman on the go. So it's not a line where you have to use 16 different products. It's like 3 pieces that you could sit on your counter. They're not going to get in the way. You can multitask. You could do it if you're a mom and you know, in the morning you need like a little lift on your face. It's very quick, very easy. I know for me, I suffer from beauty overload. Like my counter where I brush my teeth and, you know, at the end of the night or in the morning, it just like it gets so cram-packed with so much stuff. What's really awesome about this line is that you only need like 3 items and you are good to go. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you these products. But first, I want to put on my little headband. It says Angela that they sent to me. I think it was so cute. And I love headbands because I hate when products get in my hair because my hair gets crazy greasy. So we're just going to throw this on right now. So cute, so cute. So from February 19th to the 21st, if you sign up on their pre-launch page, which I will put in the description box, you can earn free beauty products and it will come with a special gift. So the more people that you refer to sign up on the pre-launch, the better chance you have to win their amazing skincare. So definitely make sure that you sign up there because, I mean, who doesn't love free stuff? So the first product is the Pore Hero, and this is activated charcoal and coconut detoxing face wash. The Pore Hero is awesome for all skin types. It is a charcoal based face wash. This will remove makeup, impurities. It will dig down deep. What's really awesome about this is that it's made with coconut oil and aloe, so it's not going to dry out your face. It's going to moisturize your skin as it's cleaning it. Sometimes a lot of products with harsh chemicals can be too much for our skin. It can really dry it up, so you might be cleaning it, but then you're also hurting your skin as well, and you're just going to make yourself more prone to wrinkles and dryness and flaking and things like that. This is going to do both, which is what is really great, like I said about this line, how it kind of multitasks. It does everything for you instead of having to use 5 different products to get your hydration, to get your cleansing, to dig deep, to really clean those pores. This is a really, really great product. Next up, then we have the Glow On Exfoliating Pineapple Wet Mask. You guys have no idea. As soon as I opened this and I saw that it had pineapple in it, I had to smell it literally right away, and it smelled like I was on a beach. Like, it smelled like I should have a pina colada in my hand. It was just so nice and refreshing. This will give you a really intense natural glow in 2 minutes. So what's really cool about this is, say, you know, you're tired, you know, you've worked a lot, or your kids made you crazy, or you just had like a really long week, but you don't have a whole lot of time for yourself. They have the Skin Perfecting Miracle Mask, and this is silicone and it's reusable, which is awesome. I love, love, love that because face masks can be a lot of money. Okay, so here is the silicone face mask. You can tell it's nice, it's durable, and it's really, really soft. So what I did is I took this. I always shake up my products. I don't know why I do that. I feel like it's just habit. I put a little bit on my hand and I kind of push it into my skin. Oh my gosh, the smell of it. It literally smells so nice. This is definitely something I would bring on vacation if you're going somewhere like really dry, like, I don't know, Colorado, or, you know, you're going to the beaches, like you're going to Jamaica or Key West or something like that, where your skin is going to lose a lot of hydration. And you put this on. And then it has little, can you hear me? Little earpieces. Literally last night I did this, and what's awesome is that I was doing the dishes while I had my face mask on. I mean, that's amazing. Could you imagine me going to the pickup line at school with this? I feel like I would freak people out, but I don't even care. It's worth it. It feels so good. Honestly, you know what else you could do, which I love doing with sheet masks, is you can put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes and just like get it nice and cool before you put it on, and then it just feels like your face is getting like a really great massage. So if you want to use a silicone mask, you can leave this on for about 8 minutes, but if you choose just to use the glow on, that can sit on your skin for 2 minutes. So what you want to do when you're done is you just undo the earpieces, pull it off. I hope I didn't mess up my eyebrows. What I do is rinse your face. So this is going to absorb excess oil. So if you're an oily girl, this is going to really bring all that moisture out while you're hydrating your skin. Like, that's like sounds so crazy, but literally your skin feels so soft. Like, look how, I don't know, I feel like my skin looks nice and glowy already. So I think it's really cool that you're not only preventing a breakout, you're also hydrating your skin at the same time. I think that's definitely great for, you know, it's that time of the month, like I said, going on vacation where it's dry and your skin takes a beating, or if you went out and you have a little too much to drink and your skin is suffering. Definitely recommend that. That's amazing. Okay, then next up we have the All Over It, and this is the argan and lavender oil for skin, hair, and nails, which is amazing. Honestly, my skin, so we just got back from Boston like a few days ago. We got back on Sunday. Today's Thursday that I'm filming, and literally from walking around in that like extreme cold, my hands are so cracked. My skin was flaking right here. This is just like a nice pick-me-up for real. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. Whoa. About that. I only did like 3 or 4 drops, and I'm just gonna push that into my face. I don't really like to like move stuff around. I like to just kind of push it in. That way my skin can really absorb it. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. You can smell the lavender in it for sure. Definitely before bed. This makes me want to like put the silicone mask in the fridge and then put this on my face and then put the silicone mask over top and go to sleep with it, because you can sleep with that silicone mask on your face and that will help you prevent wrinkles and fine lines. Again, here is the 3 products and the silicone mask. And it is a full skincare line. This is so great because you're exfoliating, you're hydrating, you're preventing wrinkles, you're giving yourself a quick mask. It's just doing so much at one time so quickly, which is nice because, I mean, my husband hates me when I stand in front of that mirror before bed for like 25 minutes. So it's really nice that it's quick, it's going to do the job, and these products are just such high quality and, like I said, all natural, organic. You're putting great things onto your face. You're not using anything that's harsh. So definitely check them out. They are amazing. They are pre-launching. Definitely go sign up so you can get your freebies, and I hope you guys like this video. Let me know your thoughts. I'll talk to you guys soon.